Hi students, how are you? I hope you are very well at home. Stay home, stay safe. This is T. Koteshwara, Social Studies teacher. I am working at DAV High School, Sri Salem, Red Bank. Now I am going to discuss about India relief features for 10th class students. Look at the word, my dear students. India relief futures. India is the vast country. It is the seventh largest country of the world. It has a huge extent. India has some relief features. Those are Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Peninsular Plateau, West Coastal Plain, and Eastern Coastal Plain. The Great Indian Desert, the highlands, Andaman and Nicobar Highlands, which lies in the Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep Highlands, which lies in the Arabian Sea. Let us move the location of India in the world map. Location of India in the world map. Look at this world map, my dear student. The red color shaded map is India, which lies in the southern part of Asia continent. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. How do you know northern hemisphere on the globe, eastern hemisphere on the globe, southern hemisphere on the globe, the western hemisphere on the globe? Look at the board. This is globe. It is the model of the earth. There are two constant points on the globe. One is North Pole. Second one is South Pole. One initial line which is drawn in the middle of the earth is called equator. Equator is located at 0 degrees. It divides the earth into two equal halves. From equator to North Pole, it is northern hemisphere. From equator to South Pole, it is called southern hemisphere. To parallel of the equator, we will finish the remaining latitudes, 1 degree intervals. The imaginary lines which we have drawn on the globe horizontally are called latitudes. The imaginary lines which we have drawn vertically on the globe are called longitudes. This is initial line of longitudes. It is called prime meridian. We will finish the other longitudes in the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. From 0 degrees from meridian, it is called western hemisphere. from 0 degrees from meridian to east 180 degrees is called eastern hemisphere, where the latitudes and the longitudes crisscrossing, there is grade. It is called grade. With the help of this grade, we can easily identify any country, any state, any city in the world. The location of India, location means according to latitudes, according to longitudes. Latitudes, longitudes. India extends according to latitudes from 8 degrees 4 minutes and it ends 37 degrees 6 minutes in north latitudes. And same, India lies in the eastern hemisphere and it starts from 68 degrees 7 minutes east and it ends 97 degrees 25 minutes east. This is the location of India. Once you see, this is grid. So India is located in this grid. 8 degrees 4 minutes, 37 degrees 6 minutes, 68 degrees 7 minutes, 97 degrees 25 minutes in the east. So this is the location of India in the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world. Seventh largest country of the world. 6 countries which are bigger than India. What are those? Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, Australia. 7th one is India. Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, Australia, India. USA is about 3 times bigger than India according to area wise. Just you look at this here, you see this here, India and USA. It is the 7th largest country of the world. India total geographical area is 3.2 million square kilometers. It means 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometers. India also accounts 2.4% area on the globe. 2.4%. It is the second populated country in the world after China. Thank you very much, my dear students.